Welcome to Blue's Garden. Making a fire pit pot roast on wood coal. First thing I want to do is treat my cast iron pot. I'll put the oven on 425 and I will preheat it. I will treat it. Usually there's a million recipes for how people do this. People often use canola oil or vegetable oil or something else. I use olive oil because I cook with a ton of it and I just happen to have a lot of olive oil around. Thoroughly coat. This is actually a pre-coated pot, cast iron pot anyway, but I'm still going to give it another coat and then burn it in. I will coat all the surfaces. I do this almost, if I use it often enough, I do it probably once a week. And I think it's important that you keep up with it and treat it well. I started a hardwood charcoal fire. I let the coals get good and hot. Let them burn down a little bit. Then I spread them out into a donut shape and no coals directly underneath. I will add my mirepoix, carrots, celery, and onion. And I will cook them in some olive oil. And then I will take the pot roast itself and coat it in flour on all four sides and sear it on high heat. I'm actually going to do a side of some roasted veggies. And for that, I'm going to take some of my bunching onion that I happen to have, cut them up, put some small roast potatoes in, some carrot and some celery in this foil packet that I made. I'm also going to take the garlic scapes that I had cooked quite a while ago. Harvested quite a while ago. It tells you how old this video is. They were actually fairly recently harvested when I did it. I'll add some beef broth in to the cast iron pot. Now, if you notice, I've got coals all around the side in a donut, and then I've taken some larger coals and put them on top. I let this whole thing cook for about an hour and a half. It's about a 3-pound roast in there. And then I added my vegetable packet on the coals. I will shake it up every once in a while. I've got a little tiny bit of tomato sauce in there, as well as plenty of beef broth. There's the side of veggies and my pot roast. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps me grow, and that helps you grow.